Hey guys, if you've been around the channel, you know I've already hooked up the amp power boards to my Trail Boss. These are the little LED strips that come with that kit, so when the boards deploy, the light comes on. So I wanted to go a different route. I decided to hook up my OPT7 Underglow kit to come on with the door assist. Well, that's just a white light. So I reached out to OPT7 and said, hey, do you have something where if you open the door, you can change the color? And they said, yes, it's our Bluetooth controller option. So the original kit that I have does not have that feature, but this one does. Here's the original controller that I had with the kit. It came with a remote, and here is the door assist. So this only allows for the white light. Here's the new controller that I installed. This is a Bluetooth controller, so you can connect to your phone to change the different colors for the door assist. So how did I hook it up to the amp power boards? I just used the wiring that went down for the other LEDs, and I hooked up the cable that goes to the door assist and the power for the controller to the amp power board wiring. You might ask, why did you hook up both the door assist wiring and the power that goes to the controller under the truck? Well, I had a slight problem with the power that went to the controller when I had it hooked up. I had a flickering when the boards would come down, and then it would also flicker when they went back up. So I hooked both the power and that under the truck, and I don't have that issue. When you open the door, it comes on, and then when you close it, it does a slow fade, and it works perfect. So once you download the OPT7 app, you can change any color you want to on the door assist. So right now I have blue, and when I open it up, it is blue. As you can see, you have plenty of light, and it's a customizable color. Let's say you want it to be green. And one other color I'll show you, the best color there is, and that is red. And this is how it fades. It's really easy to change those colors through the OPT7 app. You bring it up, hit door assist, and there's a color wheel you can scroll through to select whichever color you want. There is one thing you need to know. If you want this set up, you're not going to be able to ride around with the OPT7 Underglow because it is now hooked to the amp power boards. So the controller is only going to be powered when those boards deploy. If you want to check out the amp power board installation video I did, feel free to check that out. And I also did a video on the OPT7 Underglow full installation. I appreciate y'all watching this. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.